In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor that uses a simple moving average SMA strategy to manage buy and sell positions in the market. Let's see how we can do that. We start by opening Metaeditor, which can be done by clicking the little icon or pressing F4. The code begins by including the CTrade class from the standard library, which provides simplified trading methods such as PositionOpen and PositionModify. We instantiate a CTrade object with default parameters to manage all trade operations, including position management. Next, we define the strategy configuration parameters, which are adjustable in the Expert Advisor properties. These include the period for SMA calculation, the historical range for highs and lows, the minimum age for a valid high or low, and the safety margin for the trailing stop in points. We declare global variables and handles to store state between ticks and indicator data. This includes a unique SMA indicator handle, a ring buffer for historical SMA values, and an array for OHLC price data. The expert initialization function is executed once at the start of the expert advisor for indicator setup. We create an SMA indicator handle for the current symbol and H1 timeframe using the simple moving average mode and closing prices. We configure the arrays as time series to align indexes with natural time progression, with the newest data at index 0. The function returns a success code. The position opening functions execute market orders with a specified lot size. The open by position function retrieves the current ask price for precise order execution and uses the trade's position open method to execute a buy order. The parameters include the financial instrument, direction as a long position, position size of 0.10 lots, 10 micro lots, entry price at the current ask, initial stop loss and take profit both disabled, and a position comment. Similarly, the open sell position function retrieves the current bid price and executes a sell order with the same parameters, except the direction is a short position. The main price update function is executed on every tick and contains the core strategy logic. It retrieves historical price data for analysis, copying H1 candle data for the lookback period into the price data array. It also loads SMA values from the indicator buffer into the SMA buffer for trend analysis. The function checks the position status to determine if there are any open positions and their type. It scans through all open positions to find relevant ones, setting a flag and storing the current position type. For trend detection and position management, if the price is above the SMA, it indicates an uptrend. If there are no open positions, a new buy position is opened. If there is an existing buy position, the function identifies the low point for a trailing stop by finding the index of the lowest low in the lookback period. It checks if the low is at least min candles back old and if the current price is above the identified low. If these conditions are met, it calculates a new trailing stop level and processes it for the buy position. Conversely, if the price is below the SMA, it indicates a downtrend. If there are no open positions, a new sell position is opened. If there is an existing sell position, the function identifies the high point for a trailing stop by finding the index of the highest high in the lookback period. It checks if the high is at least min candles back old and if the current price is below the identified high. If these conditions are met, it calculates a new trailing stop level and processes it for the sell position. The combined trailing stop management function updates the stop loss for both buy and sell positions. It iterates through all open positions, selecting each position via its ticket number. It applies filters to ensure the position matches the specified type and belongs to the current chart symbol. It retrieves the current stop loss value and updates it based on the position type. For buy positions, the new stop level must be higher than the current stop or there must be no existing stop loss. For sell positions, the new stop level must be lower than the current stop or there must be no existing stop loss. At the end of the process, we press F7 to compile the code. If this was too fast for you or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you may want to check out the premium course on our website or watch one of the basic videos first. If everything works, we go back to Metaeditor by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in Metaeditor, we press Ctrl and R to start the strategy tester, Pick the expert advisor that we have just created, enable the visual mode, and start a strategy test. We should then see the expert advisor on the chart. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. In this video, we have learned how to create an expert advisor that uses a simple moving average strategy to manage buy and sell positions with a few lines of MQL code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.